Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Endless Winter. First, let's set up the game board, placing the main board, 4 player boards, and various component piles. Each player chooses a color and takes their starting pieces. We'll then dive into the 4 main phases of a round: action, eclipse, migration, and idle. Understanding these phases is key to mastering the game and achieving a high score. Get ready to explore ancient lands and lead your tribe to prosperity. Setting up Endless Winter is straightforward. Begin by placing the large main board centrally. Each of the 1 to 4 players then takes a personal player board, along with their starting deck of 10 cards and various player tokens. Next, organize the 4 distinct card decks: culture, tribe, animal, and idle. Finally, create accessible piles for the 4 essential resources: food, tools, stone, and bone. This organized setup ensures a smooth start to your prehistoric adventure. Endless Winter unfolds over several rounds, each comprising 4 crucial phases. During the action phase, players strategically play cards from their hand and deploy workers to perform various actions, such as gathering resources or advancing on tracks. The eclipse phase follows, where players collect income and prepare their boards. Next, the migration phase allows for movement and area control. Finally, the idle phase grants powerful one-time bonuses, shaping your path to victory. Winning Endless Winter requires a keen eye on victory points, which you'll gather in many ways. You earn points by completing valuable culture cards and collecting sets of powerful animal cards. Controlling territories on the main board and strategically placing your idols also significantly boosts your score. The game concludes after a set number of rounds, typically 6 or 7, and the player who has amassed the highest total of victory points is declared the ultimate tribal leader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.